Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account. Do that first, then confirm two-step verification so your files stay secure. Once signed in, choose Web Apps or install the desktop suite. Pick what fits your bandwidth and workflows. Make sure OneDrive is set up and linked to the same account, and enable auto-save for documents. This prevents accidental loss and keeps versions. As you complete these steps, you'll have access across devices and be ready to create, edit, and share immediately. Once done with setup, open the apps you need and lean on templates to speed tasks, reports, budgets, presentations. Use OneDrive or SharePoint to store files. Set permissions and link expiry so collaborators get only intended access. Connect files to Teams channels for real-time editing and use at mentions to notify people. Make sure to version check files in OneDrive if multiple editors work simultaneously. These steps streamline collaboration and reduce duplicate work, so your team stays aligned and you avoid file chaos. To finish, automate repetitive tasks with Power Automate. For example, save email attachments to OneDrive automatically and set recurring reminders in Outlook. Backup critical files locally even with OneDrive enabled. That's your safety net. If sync or sharing fails, first check the OneDrive sync status and your sign-in. Next, verify permissions on the file or folder. Finally, update the app or sign out and back in. This sequence usually fixes most problems quickly, so you can resume work without lost time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.